Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the last video we have discussed 20 questions of EVS paper 1 CTET 2021 paper which I have downloaded from CBSE website. Again I am back with another 10 questions of that EVS paper, and after that 10 questions we will be able to complete CTET 2021 paper and EVS of that paper 1, EVS subject of that paper 1. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started with the another 10 questions. So the first question is, which of the following is not a broad indicator of EVS assessment? Option 1 is cooperation, option 2 is concern for justice, option 3 is concern for equality, and option 4 is concept mapping. So you can see that in the question it is asked which of the following is not a broad indicator of EVS assessment. So obviously cooperation, concern for justice and concern for equality are the indicator of EVS assessment, but concept mapping is not the indicator of this EVS assessment. So the correct answer of this is concept mapping. Okay. Now another question is, there is a paragraph in class 5th EVS textbook based on Al Biruni's observation of construction of ponds in India some thousand years ago. What would be the purpose of including this paragraph? A. It helps learners to identify source of history. B. It helps learners to improve their recording of observations. C. It helps learners to appreciate technology present in India some 1000 years back. And option D is it helps learners to appreciate the role of evidence in history. So these are the options that they have given, and we have to select which one is the correct. So the first option is A, B, C, and second option is A, C, and D, and third option is only A and D. Fourth one is only A and C. So the correct answer of this question is second one, that is A, C, and D. So A is it helps learners to identify sources of history. C1 is it helps learners to appreciate technology present in India some 1000 years back, and D, it helps learners to appreciate the role of evidence in history. Okay, so the correct answer of this question is second one, that is A, C, and D. Now the next question is, with over 50 students in her class, Vani wants to engage them in an activity which involves maximum number of senses to enhance learning. Which of the following activities will be suitable for this purpose? Option 1, inviting resource person from community to demonstrate their skills. Option 2 is encouraging group discussion. Option 3 is using a smart classroom for relevant AV material, that is audio visual material. And option 4 is organizing field trip to a nearby place. Okay, so the correct answer of this question is fourth one, that is organizing field trip to a nearby place. Okay. Now another question is, why does ICRA encourage her learners to read newspaper and magazines in EVS? First, these are entertaining resources available. Second, these help learners to engage with the real world. And option 3 is these help learners to become independent. And fourth one is these help learners become competitive. So the correct answer of this question is second one, these help learners to engage with the real world. Okay, so if you are a teacher and you are including some reading of newspapers, magazines related to any subjects, what you are doing, that you are trying to engage the students with the real world, so that they can know about another things that are going on in the world. Okay, now the 25th question is, questioning as a strategy in teaching learning of EVS is used for. First one is maintaining discipline, second one is drawing attention, third one is promoting adherence to rules, and fourth one is arousing curiosity in classroom. So can you guess the right answer? See, questioning in teaching learning is definitely not used for maintaining discipline, right? So for maintaining discipline, we use another tactics, being a teacher. Now, drawing attention is also not that much correct. Promoting adherence to rules, no. The fourth one is that arousing curiosity in classroom. Okay, when you ask some question, what happens that the students try to involve in the class. So if you ask some questions, they will be curious that what will be the answer of that particular question, what teacher is going to tell us. Okay, now the 26th question is, in which one of the following states the meaning of Torang is jungle? Okay, So the first option is Assam, second option is Odisha, third option is Mizoram, and fourth option is Jharkhand. So this question is purely based on your general awareness skill or general knowledge. So the correct answer is fourth one, that is Jharkhand. In Jharkhand, jungle is called as Torang. Now let us shift our attention to another question, that is question number 27. Your house is located at X and your school is located at Y. Although your school is just opposite, but you cannot go straight because of the busy highway in between. So you first go 125-meter due south, then cross a 100-meter long subway which is due east, and finally reach your school at Y, which is 125-meter due north. With respect to school, at Y, your house at X is. Okay. So in this, definitely you have to give some time to this question so that you can solve, because it is purely based on somewhat calculation in which you have to do certain types of calculation. So the first option is 125-meter due south, second option is 100-meter due east, third option is 100-meter due west, and fourth option is 125-meter due north. So the correct answer of this question is that one is third, that is 100-meter due west. Okay, so in this question what you have to do, you have to try to solve that particular question. You can give at least 1.5 minutes to this question to understand first of all, and then by doing certain calculation you can come to the answer, and that is the 100-meter due west. So this type of question are also going to be asked in EVS, so you have to be ready for that type of question also. And you can solve these questions very easily if you practice last year question paper, or certain questions related to these things like direction and these distance based question. Now the next question is, a boy boarded a train on 4th June 2020 at Nagarkoil for Madgaon. The train departed at 22:30 hours from Nagarkoil and reached Madgaon at 4:30 hours on 6 June 2020. If the distance covered by the train during this time interval is 1145 km, the average speed of the train was nearly. Option 1 is 36.5 km per hour, option 2nd is 38.5 km per hour, and option 3rd is 40.5 km per hour, and option 4th is 42.5 km per hour. So in this question, see, we have to calculate different using different formula like distance, or distance formula, and you have to manipulate with the formula. You have to play with the formula. It's not a direct question that you applied formula and you can get the answer. So the correct answer of this question is second one, that is 38.5 km per hour. So this question is also, you can it will take some time, but you can easily solve if you practice the question related to distance and time travel. Okay, now the 29th question is, which one of the following statement is not true for the honeybees and beehives? So it's a direct question. So if you have know about honeybee and their house, that is beehive, you can easily solve this question. So the first option is, every beehive has one queen bee that lays eggs. Male bees are very important for the hives, and most of the bees in the hive are worker bees. And fourth one is, there are only a few males in the hive. Okay, so question is asking which one of the following statement is not true. Please, whenever you solve any question, please do focus what the question is asking. So these words are very important: not true, okay, exception, and all these words, you have to focus on that. What we do generally, that we just read the question and try to solve. Oh, easy hai ye question, iska answer aa jayega aaram se. Okay, but we do mistake in these reading this question. Okay, so please do focus on these words. Now, which one of the following statement is not true for the honeybee and beehives? Okay, every beehive has one queen bee that lays eggs. Yes, this one is correct. Second one is, male bees are very important for the hives. Okay, we will go to this statement later on. Third one is, most of the bees in the hive are worker bees. Definitely, most of the bees in the hives are worker bees, which are sterile females. Okay. Now, there are only a few males in the hive. Yes, this one is correct because bee is a social insect. It is divided into three community. One is queen, worker, and drones. So drones are actually males, which are very less in number, and their work is only for reproduction. Okay, they only mate with the queen, and they do not do that much work. So male bees are very important for the hives. This one is not correct regarding honeybees and beehives. Okay, so the correct answer of this question is second one. Uh, Now, last question of this EVS of CTET Jan 2021 paper is, today we cannot think of food without chilies. These were brought to our country by traders coming from. First one is Afghanistan, second one is England, third one is South America, and fourth one is South Africa. So what do you think which is the correct answer? Chilies were brought us from. So the correct answer is South America. That is, chilies were brought to our country by traders coming from South America. So by this is the last question of EVS paper of Jan 2021 CTET. So you can download this paper from CBSE website, from which I have downloaded, and here we have completed with the EVS paper. So I think you have got an idea which type of questions are going to be asked and how you can solve this question by going through the syllabus of EVS, and you can score better in this EVS subject. Okay, so we have completed with the EVS paper. Now in the next video we will discuss about general science paper or science paper. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share, like, and comment to my to the videos. You can share with your friends so that if they are preparing for CTET, which is going to be held very soon, so they can also qualify those exams, and it will be helpful for them so that they can also solve the last year papers. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.